What is up, y'all? We are back with another video in the barn. I'll be honest, today is Thursday, the 12th? I don't know. It's yesterday, because today is Friday for you. It's Thursday for me, and I have procrastinated all week long on doing anything. Because of that procrastination, I have to make a video today. Hence this. I think today, and for this video, what we're gonna be doing is we are going to get started on building some doors. These doors. You might be asking yourself, what doors? That's because I haven't built them yet. Shout out, Ruby. Look at this mess. Such a mess. I need to clean this whole place too. But honestly, I think the priority is gonna be closing off this barn. Obviously why we're making these videos. I think first order business is deciding, I guess. Gotta decide how big are these doors gonna be. They almost need to be like, this has to be just doors, really. At least for this side. Because this side, I think I am gonna do that. And it's actually pretty nice because we got these 4x6s already here. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna build some huge doors and we're gonna just get some huge hinges and we're just gonna go straight to those. And since they're gonna be such massive doors, maybe we'll put some wheels on them so they could kind of roll. We gotta figure that out. Actually, we gotta figure that out today. I don't know that I'll be able to hang anything today because that's a massive door. It's like a huge door. And I don't know if I could do that alone. Anyways, I think I'm gonna use the trailer as a workbench for the time being. But yeah, let's get into it because we don't have a lot of time and we have to get this stuff going so that I can edit tomorrow and drop the video tomorrow. Let's go. What we have figured out is the whole distance across this distance. You got 170 inches and 1/4, 170, 1/4 inches across from here to here. Top down, you got 135. That's from there to the bottom, 135. Obviously got to make 2 doors, so divide that into 2. You got 85 and 1/8. And I'm gonna take off another 1 and 1/8 on both doors. So we're gonna do 84 just because it's gonna end up being like a 2 1/4 inch gap in the middle. But I think for the door to swing open, I think if I do anything tighter than that, I don't want them to hit each other. I want them to be able to just open. I think I might just mount this door first, mark on the floor, you know, when it's closed, and then as I'm swinging open, see how much goes over the line. And then I'll be able to tell if that is enough, and if it is enough, cool. That's kind of the rough idea, so I think we're gonna start building this door. All right, y'all, we've made some progress. We have somewhat a door. We have what looks like a wall. Not a door, but a wall. Just for the record, I do know that this is not how you build walls, doors, any of that. I am only doing it in this manner because wood is expensive and I got this for free. These aren't long enough to obviously take apart and build the whole length of the wall because the 2x4s aren't that long. So this is what we're doing. It's not exactly perfect or the right way to do it, but I'm gonna reinforce it so that it'll stay together. So weak points. A weak point in the way I'm doing this would be right here in this middle joint where I got a panel here and a panel here. This is weak. So I'm gonna get another 2x4, gonna put it right here along the bottom, which will join these two pieces together. I'm gonna do the same thing up there, up right there. So same joint here, I'm gonna do it up there, same thing, 2x4 across. 2x4 across, might even throw one in the middle. That should lock all of this in place. Lock it into place, lock it in together, lock it together, whatever. The top should be pretty fine because obviously it's running this way, so we should be good. I might put some blocks actually. I'll put some blocks going up this way to give it a little extra something. Oh, am I chewing gum during this whole thing? I hope I wasn't. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that, but I'll touch base in 4 seconds. Mark a little line. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do a little square. Got yourself a line. Follow the line. Let's see if she fits. Probably would have fit if I cut it straight. Just needs a little convincing. I'm cutting it. Bang, bang. Bigger than I thought. All right, y'all. Just finished putting away the tools, and honestly, we haven't made insane progress, but I feel very motivated after just coming out here, getting this door. Just doing this little bit has gotten me pretty motivated because I've been pretty unmotivated this week. You know, I get up, I start, I eat breakfast, start scrolling around, and I'm just not trying to do anything, which is not the right mentality. And I do know that when that's the case, that's when I really gotta, focus and go hard, because that's usually when you could get in the wrong mindset. So I am happy that I did get it. I did it. I am happy that I made it out here. We got one door pretty much all the way done. Not bad for a few hours. I'm kind of excited. I think it's gonna really get me hyped to fit, really go put in some real work on this stuff once we hang up 2 doors right there and it's closed off, because then it'll be oh, okay, we're getting the shop going here. And honestly, it wasn't that much work. Yeah, I had to cut some stuff, put some nails here and there, but it really is not that much work. It's just kind of work where it's time consuming and you have to put in the effort, but pretty easy, simple stuff. It's actually really nice. I like doing stuff like this just because it's kind of just take your time and just put some screws here, some nails there, some cutting. I really do enjoy this stuff, and I hope that some of this stuff that I show you is enjoyable or interesting. And with that being said, a wise man once told me,